Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ahmed from Speak Smart English. Anyway, here we are for another grammar lesson. Alright, today we are going to talk about something which confuses a lot of students, and it's actually really important because if you make a mistake, you could be saying something very unpleasant about yourself, and I don't think you want to do that. Okay? Good. So, let me explain. Two words. Bored, boring. Are they different? Are they the same? If I tell you he's boring or he's bored, is there a difference in that? Or worse still, if I tell you I am bored or I am boring, is there a difference? I hope you are saying yes, because there is a big difference. Alright. There is a really big difference. Let me tell you what is it. If I tell you I am bored, I am describing how I am feeling, right? I am feeling bored because something is boring. It could be that the book is boring, the movie is boring, this lesson is boring. But as just an example, I know it's not. The lecture is boring, anything, okay? So, the thing you are describing is with ing. The way you are feeling, that word ends with ed. So, I feel bored because the movie is boring. Alright? The same with these words. I am interested because the play was interesting. I felt frustrated because the exam was frustrating. Alright, again. The thing you are describing is with ing. The way you are feeling or the way someone is feeling is with ed. Alright? I felt excited when I went to the museum park because the roller coaster was really exciting. Or I felt frightened when I went there because the roller coaster was terribly frightening. So remember, when you are describing someone or something else, you use the ing. When you are talking about the way you or somebody else is feeling, you used ed. A little lesson, but I hope it will go a long way to keeping your reputation intact and making sure that you will always say what you really want to say and not insult yourself by mistake by using the wrong expression. Okay? Alright. Take care, all the best with your English, and if you would like to give us any comments or ideas for the future lessons or anything that you have a problem with, feel free. Alright, see you in the next video.